Hi guys, here we are. Beautiful Sunday. Guess what? It's an emergency. So when you call, we answer. We are here to do the job as efficiently, as efficiently as possible. It doesn't matter which day, we get it to you right now. You're most excited to see me now because I'm happy to see you now.
Sir, you wouldn't like to know me and wait.
I wonder, how come you never invite me here before? I always your office.
Yeah, because it was more convenient. I didn't even know that you delivered over here.
Well, we do deliver in Old... Yes, we do deliver in Old Harbour. You get that? We deliver in Old Harbour.
So now that I know.
Yes, and you must tell your neighbors too.
Oh, definitely, definitely.
And should I stop coming to the office now?
No, we'll share. We'll share.
Okay, so like I said, now the dinner.
Get in there.
Get in there?
Get in there.
Because I didn't have none before I come here, you know.
Oh, Lord.
Yeah.
Shut up earlier, man. I
never prepared. Did I speed up?
Yes, man.
So she's going to speed up the pot. I don't know who believe her, but I don't believe her. And how you speed up the pot? You put twice as much fire?
No, start like earlier, man.
Oh, okay. All right, cool. As a regular customer though, what would you like to say to our person that are just coming on board? What you really like about
New
the
customers?
service? Yeah.
What I like? What I love most of all is the combined shipping.
Okay.
The customer service is good. It is good. And I don't have to worry about my package. Or when you're not sure if you're going to get it in time.
You get it in time.
You're not sure.
Oh, it's a wig.
You're on the edge.
Wig week is coming up, guys. You didn't know that we're having wig week?
No, and I need this, I need this because
we're having wig week, May 10 to May 17. Montego Bay. Oh, so it's a party?
No, work conference.
Okay, all right, cool. So you can tell your co-workers I'm still wig.
And
how it look from
I say not even dollar now got pretty light.
Oh, the dollar them come out. The dollar them come out. Look at you.
Wait till when I put on my clothes.
You know, say she's too much.
Can I tell you?
Anyway,
Can I tell you?
I hope you enjoy yourself.
I intend to.
Have a good week, alright? So there you have it, guys, on the delivery trail. It doesn't matter. Monday, Sunday, Tuesday, it doesn't matter which day. We're here to please. Have a good one.
You too.
You too. Peace out.